Lucas, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Are you riding a bike? You're only 6 months old. You're only 6 months old. What are you doing? What are you doing, big brother?
Yeah, I didn't find this.
You playing with your choo-choos?
This is the cookie. Mom cookies.
What are you guys doing? You gonna push him, sissy? Are you gonna push him? Are you gonna push him? Blue eyes? Their big brother.